So I have a little issue with the turbo I need to address, and that is the stock HE351 turbo drain tube will not work on this first gen engine. So what you need to do is get the longer version, and a stainless diesel sells these for around like 90 bucks or so. And one day I was watching a Turbo Tom video on YouTube, and he listed a bunch of stuff he had for sale, and I got this off of him for 30 bucks. It's a pretty damn good deal, so thanks Turbo Tom. And I wish I would have taken care of this issue before I put the engine in the frame, but I was so excited about getting the engine in the frame that I forgot about doing this first. And now the bung is in a tight spot, and I need to get that out of the engine to get this to work. So let's get to it. Okay, so we could do this the hard way, or we can do this the easy way.
The easy way.
Alright, that worked out just great.